but the actual thing that I measured in our receiver is like this. So we are really wide open. That is the root of the problem. There is no fence between us and nobody. It's not only light squared, whoever else around us doing anything, we are invited into our receivers. If some of the servers you may see somewhere you go and it doesn't work because harmonics of some radio stations we have no fence. And until there was no discussion about light squared, we didn't get serious to talk about our fence. Solution. This is what the filter was, this was the problem, and this is the solution. This is the filter that we designed. I go back, this is what it was, and this is what it is today. It's giving a solid defense and solid fence, a solid wall as thick as the wall of China between us and the two sides of light squared, 10L and 10R, what I call it in here. This is a very important picture. This says at the 10L power of minus 10 dBm, we had no signal loss at all. Remember that I said minus 10 dBm is not going to ever happen. You will not see that much of light squared power, but at that we see nothing. In the middle there is an AGC gain that is inside our receiver that when it sees something, it will adjust for it. It doesn't mean anything bad or anything is going to get degraded. Our internal things need to kick in to adjust for things. Here, it even didn't see it to adjust for anything. Zero, absolute zero. Our receiver didn't see it. When it went to minus 4 dBm, our receiver started to see there is something else, and it adjusted 0.6 dB, and at the end, there was absolutely no signal loss. We continue with minus 4 dBm, and on the signal loss at the end, we lose 1 dB. Remember, when we say loss of dB at different locations means different things. At the beginning of antenna, if I say 1 dB of noise figure, it's much more important than here. In our antenna, we have 0.8 dB of signal loss, or I say noise figure. In here, we have 25 dB of headroom. Even if it went down by 1 dB, nothing. By 2 dB, nothing. By 6 dB, we can do our work. When this receiver works in a normal environment, because of multipath, this signal to noise will go up and down by several dBs. 5 dB, 4 dB, 3 dB, and user will see nothing. And what's the significance that we ended at plus 4.5 dBm? Because we could not generate in our laboratory, we could not generate any higher power of interference of light squared.